farming drone is not a toy full of high tech. It is a farming machine which overcomes tough farming work environment and performs its task. Now, AFI presents a new standard of the farming drone. AFI drone is special. Powerful frame and vibration suppression technology designed and applied by AFI will surprise you with differentiated performance from existing drones. Anyone can easily handle the drone with stable flying performance. Full automatic control function enables the beginners to perform precise controlling. Efficient flying mechanism and powerful ground system maximize the spraying performance and enhance energy usage efficiency. Powerful frame and flying performance and the special spray system of AFI show completely differentiated performance. Module designing leads to convenient maintenance. AFI M machine series is the best farming control machine with powerful and solid frame, strong power, and excellent spraying performance. We can respectively control maximum 25,000 and 40,000 square meters at once. Best performance, best aerial control machine. Best partner for Korean agriculture, AFI Corporation.